While I'm unboxing this hair, let me tell you the best parts of using this hair. This is Daixi Dreadology, and today we'll be reviewing Daixi Dreadology. First, let's talk about the quality. The quality is impeccable. It's the best for locks and for micro twist or micro lock. Also, it's human hair, and so it can be bleached and dyed and restyled like natural locks, unprocessed and durable, and it can be reused too. And its texture is so good that it effortlessly parts and lets you style it whichever way you want. It splits up like butter for flawless braiding. There are no short pieces. All strands of hair align perfectly from tip to end. And this also helps you bleach it or dye it because you can just hold it in the middle and apply your bleach or dye to whichever side you want to. And it also makes braiding easier since they are all long and they are all the same length. So you don't have to keep adding and adding. You just cut a piece and you're on your way. I really don't know the name of the style we are doing, but it's a little bit of twist or mostly twist, a little bit of comb curl, and then barrel rolls at the end. So here his hair is too short to do the style, so I have to add Daixi hair to it. And Daixi hair already feels very natural, so it will just stick to his hair and stay in place. So I add small pieces of hair to the length of his hair to give it more length, and then I would add a big chunk to barrel roll it backwards. You'll see that in a minute. So I have added pieces of hair to his hair, and this style actually looks like fishtail or fishbone, something like that. But then with fishtail or fishbone, it's cornrow, and then all of them would be cornrowed again together into a larger cornrow. It's normally 4 cornrows on his head, but small cornrows coming in to make a big cornrow, 4 big cornrows. And here, I think I can describe it by saying it's comb curl. After I put the extension, the Daixi hair extension on each of these boxes, then I use a comb to comb curl the hair, and then I put it into this barrel roll that I'm going on with. And with the barrel roll, I took a chunk of the Daixi hair and braided it out to be long so that I can connect the smaller boxes to the barrel roll. I hope you can see what I'm doing if you don't understand me. And there will be 4 on his hair that are barrel rolled backwards, and then it looks this good. Daichi hair is very good and very impressive because it just goes with his natural hair. It just blends in, unlike other hair that will stick out. It just follows through and it's so soft to the touch. It's actually the most closest thing to natural hair. So please, if you know the name of this hairstyle, because I believe there's no hairstyle that doesn't have a name already, because I should have said let's start brainstorming and let's look for a name for it. But then I think it already has a name. Let me know in the comment section if you know the name of this hairstyle. And for this hairstyle, we used about half of the pack or a little more than half of a pack of Daixi hair. That's what we used to accomplish this hairstyle. And I hope you remember that his hair was too short, so I have to add a piece on every single box before I now add a bigger chunk to the barrel roll that is ending it, the 4 barrel rolls that would end this hairstyle. This video might as well end here, but just hold on to see the final look. Watch me finish his hair and put my finishing touches, my signature oil, and my mist to the whole of his hair before he leaves. Isn't his hair beautiful? Or what do you think?